Are you trying to change the desk collision sensitivity settings in your mobile app, but just don't know how? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you. Hi guys, I'm Camille from RightAngle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your collision sensitivity settings within your NewHeights mobile app. The collision sensitivity is the component of the gyrosense sensor that identifies and prevents damage from collisions. And this is included with all of the RightAngle NewHeights standing desks. Now to go ahead and find this, we're going to click on the hamburger menu on the top right hand of the page. And then we're going to select the second menu option labeled Settings. And then you'll see it's going to be the first option there for collision sensitivity. So go ahead and click on that. So here you can choose to enable or disable the collision detection setting. And if you're using the voice control or one-touch feature, we highly encourage you to have that collision detection turned on. So you'll see here that my collision detection is deactivated, and I want to go ahead and activate that since I do use voice control and the one-touch feature. Now to deactivate it, I'm actually going to go ahead and select one of the sensitivity settings. It won't allow you to just hit the deactivation toggle. See, if I click that, it's just bouncing back. So you're going to go ahead and select whichever sensitivity setting you want. I'm going to just select the standard sensitivity. And as soon as I click that toggle, the deactivated toggle from the top section goes back to the left, meaning that the collision sensitivity settings are set to on. And then you've successfully changed your collision sensitivity settings. So now I'm just going to hit the back arrow and go back to the home page. Thanks for watching today. I hope this was able to make it a little bit easier for you to configure your collision sensitivity settings within the app. If you guys still have some questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, or you can give us a call or shoot us an email. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all the latest from RightAngle products, and I will catch you guys next time.